Good morning, welcome to another video, and it's a gorgeous spring day in the East Midlands. So it's going to be a day photographing trains. Actually, I've no idea where we're going, but it's around the East Midlands. So yeah, currently at near Ratcliffe Power Station, an East Midlands Parkway station. So this is just a pleasant walk in the spring sunshine. It's trying to the top of Red Hill tunnels. I've seen a shot through the castellations of the tunnel, so it'd be worth exploring with that. So far so good, but the next bit is a bit steep and I don't know how the hell I'm going to get down there without going down on my backside. It's just precariously climbing down without trying to slide or break my neck. So that was a torturous slide down the embankment, but we've made it to the top of Red Hill tunnels, and I think there's a couple of units, so I'm going to line up a shot to get something through these castellations on the top of the tunnel. Now, it was alright getting down here, but we've got to get up the flaming hill now. Now, it's a good job it's dry. You don't want to be doing this on a wet day. Not at all. A quick drive over to East Midlands Gateway Junction, whatever it's called. A nice view looking towards the power station, and we've got a 60 coming from Birmingham to Kingsbury, loaded oil that will be. So unfortunately it's into the sun, so I don't know what type of shot we're going to get there, but I'll set something up and see what we can make of. So that was an unexpected bonus of the 66 coming out of East Midlands. Now it just runs along to Castle Donington sidings and runs round there, so it'll come back in maybe half an hour or so, so there's another shot of that. But just behind this, waiting at the signals out of view, is a Class 70 on a Earls to somewhere, can't remember, but it's an Earls sidings cement train. Right, I've got it now. It's an Earls sidings to Walsall on the Class 70 that's just at the signals behind us there. Yeah, that was a nice bonus. What the shot looks like, I don't know. It's still into the sun. But from here there should be another one of that 66 coming out of Castle Donington shortly. In a couple of minutes there's another one. I can't remember where that's going either, but I think it's got a celebrity GBRF 66 on that one, so I'll get set up and let's watch that one go by, and I will get a shot of that. Not going to be inspiring, but I'll get a shot of it. And I thought it was time to move location, but just after that GBRF container train, there's a class 60 on an oil closely following it, so we've not time to move anywhere else. So the sun's really harsh now at midday, and the soil's baked and there's not really a great composition, so I'm going to have to stay here and see what I can find for the 60 that's about to arrive. It's a quick dash over the top end of Totem Yard, and there's a 47 with some barrier wagons and probably some other wagons on its way down, so quickly need to set up for this shot. Only got about a minute and it's here, so got to be quick. Right, there's a class 70 coming, and there's a lot of greenery around here, and I'm trying to avoid the green in the shot. What I'm going to do is lay down in the grass and try and use some of these dandelions as a foreground, but I'm probably going to have to focus stack if I can get laid in the dandelions and focus stack them, and it might actually match the livery of the Freightliner class 70, so you never know. Let's see how this goes. Right, now the train's gone, I'm going to do some focus stacking and get the image with the dandelion. So I'm going to take a series of shots from the closest dandelion up to the furthest one, and then I'll focus stack those later. So it's a case of taking a series of shots. Focusing front to back, and I'll merge all that lot together. And if it's any good, we'll have a look at it now, and if it's not, it won't. So that's that. Right, onwards. So here's the next location. It might look like the south of France, but it's actually Soli Marina. And we're going to hunt around here, see if there's anything by the marina itself or associated lands around. There's some bridges over the Trent, and we'll see what there is. So another location, and it's near to Stenson Junction, and there is a class 60 on oils coming from Birmingham. So just need to find a composition that fits in with the sunshine and see how that works out. So there you are, an end of another photographic day around the East Midlands, which I hope you've enjoyed that, 'cause I certainly have. It's been a great day out in the sunshine. So this is the last shot. We'll just watch this one leave the signal, and that's it. And I shall see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.